In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Paramount Plus password. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Paramount Plus application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Paramount Plus application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find two options, try it free, sign in. Tap on the option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface of Paramount Plus. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. But since you want to reset your password, what you have to do is simply enter your email over here. Tap on the field of email and enter the email address. After you do that, tap on this option forget password that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the instructions to change your password should arrive in your inbox in a few moments. What you have to do is simply open the Gmail application. After you do that, you'll be able to see the email sent by the Paramount Plus over here. Simply tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the link for resetting your password. Tap on this option reset password that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. From here, you'll be able to reset the password for yourself. All you have to do is simply enter the password and confirm the password over here. Tap on the field of password that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is enter a new password over here. Now confirm the password. Now after you do that, tap on this option reset password that you can see on the screen. Now your password will be reset. Now you'll be able to log into your account by providing the new password. Simply enter the new password over here. Now tap on the option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be logged into your Paramount Plus account. So that is how you reset Paramount Plus password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.